There's the baby bird.
Wear himself out. He's gonna sleep good tonight.
There's my baby bird. You can't see nothing in here. There's the baby. Look at him here stretching his wings out, Dad. There's the baby bird.
You get something wet on my bed.
Come here. What's your baby bird doing? Can you dance? Ready?
Just
and
dance.
He's the good bird. Where's my baby bird? Where's the baby bird? Yeah, here's the baby bird. Yeah. There's a baby bird. Oh, that's my baby bird. He hasn't been out of the cage in a long time. Yes. There's my baby bird. He's a good bird. Yes, he is. Look at him. He's going to sleep good tonight.
Yeah. This thing won't stay in here.
Yes.
Less than 21 miles
He's a
an
baby
hour.
bird.
Full optimist.
What's your baby bird doing, huh?
It's got to go at least to 23.
Say hello.
It's a pretty fast airplane.
Who's that? Who is it?
Ooh, test all that. Ooh. He's getting wet on my bed. The bird's wetting.
No, he shouldn't have. I don't know. He just went to the bathroom out there.
Yeah, but it's probably, who knows, probably ejaculate.
Hello?
Probably.
Hello? Baby, who's that? You not answering?
Look at this, upside down, look.
You're not saying much now, are you? What you doing? I don't want you to fall off the bed. Come on, you're getting too close now. You dancing for me, huh? You dancing? Look at ya. Look at ya. You're so crazy. You're so crazy. He's a crazy bird.
Look.
He's a pretty bird. Yeah, what the hell are you doing?
I'm trying to take off upside down. It gets to like 7. Whoops. It's gotta get to like 20 miles an hour.
Baby bird. Rah! He's a baby dinosaur bird.
Oh, hit the truck.
Rah! I am. Rah!
And he almost says it.
Rah! I am baby bird. I conquer. Rah! Try to make him look real big. Rah! I will here to eat your car. Rah! All right, baby bird. Look at it. Where are you going? Hey! Wandering up toward the thing. All right, let me get him.